This might be why you snore when you sleep. One possible cause of that is called obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. Some of the symptoms include feeling tired throughout the day even after many hours of sleep, irritability, depressed mood, morning headache, and snoring. OSA is caused by something blocking or obstructing your airways. The most common risk factors are obesity, large or thick neck, smoking, thyroid disorders, and it's more common in men than in women. It's diagnosed with a sleep study, which can sometimes be done at home, but you may have to be at a sleep center or a hospital. Some common treatments include a CPAP machine to wear while sleeping, custom mouthpieces, and sometimes even surgery can help. At home, some changes you can make are losing any excess weight, limiting alcohol use, especially at nighttime and before you go to sleep, and sleeping on your side instead of your back.